Good morning, Colby. How are you? How are you? Good? Hi, Judah. Good morning. You're sitting up too with your brother. Yeah. Oh, I lost Judah. What do you think about that, Colby? Hey, Judah. What you gonna do? Hi. Say no big deal, Mommy. I'll just roll around. What do you think about that, Colby? Say, get your booty on my face. Say, get your booty on my face, Judah. Who's that, Colby? Is that Daddy? Say hi, Daddy.
Yeah, Dada.
How you doing, Judah?
Resting? Hello, boys. Ready? Avalanche. No, no. Avalanche. No.
Daddy.